Hi guys, for this tutorial, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to take myself on a green screen and put them in anywhere else using the keyer in Final Cut Pro. So I'm going to take myself and let's say I want to go to a beach. This is great, although it's February and I really miss a beach. Let's see, maybe I wanted to go see a volcano. Sweet, I'm here. Or if I just wanted to walk around in the room and talk to myself while I'm here. Hey, Mr. Strangio. Oh, hi, Mr. Strangio. I'm currently busy right now, so I'm gonna get back to what I was working on.
For this specific clip that I have here, I have my image that I already want, which is going to be a beach. So the first thing that you need to do is wherever you first need to film, and then from there you need to make sure that you find the image or video that you want to place yourself on. So like I mentioned previously, for this specific clip, I just want to be on a beach. So you'll have your clip down in Final Cut. Make sure you drag it down into your timeline. And what I will do now is take my clip, my picture of the beach, bring it down underneath. I'm just going to delete these transitions just to make it a little bit easier for you all to see. And I'll zoom this in. So I want my image to line up with the length of the clip here. So as you see, I brought the image below my clip. Now, as of right now, I haven't adjusted anything, so it just looks like the video is still in place. So the thing that you want to do next is over here, you want to go to the installed effect. You want to go to effects, keying, and then keyer. And you want to click and drag this on top and put it into your video file. Now, as you can see, it's allowing the image underneath to come through wherever there's green. So what I will then need to do is just crop images, crop on the left and the right side so I can remove what is not green. So the walls and whatnot. So now that I have myself behind the green screen, what I'm going to do is just move myself around. So keying is very simple. All you need to do is take the keyer, drag it into your video clip here, and that is essentially what you need to do for keying. So now the only thing left for me to do is just do some final tweaks just to make it look a little bit nicer. But other than that, that is your keyer in Final Cut Pro.